We will be dimming the cabin lights because reading or reading may switch on their individual reading light.
Kanina candy. Candy.
So,
Mamaya na. Ano yun?
One minute ka na lang.